Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are creating this eyeshadow look for deep set eyes. Something fun, something a little different, maybe more of an evening glam look, but this is definitely beautiful for our deep set eyes and maturing eyes, and just another creative look to try for us. So if you guys would like to see how I created this eyeshadow look, then just keep watching. I'm just gonna start. I cut these two little strips from like a medical band-aid that you use on your sore muscles, so I thought this will be fine for my skin. Shouldn't be too hard to peel off, so I'm just going to go on a straighter angle. I'm not gonna go like super up with the eyeliner and eyeshadow look. So I'm gonna start with my darker tones just so I can get this off of my skin because it feels kind of weird. So those look about even. I'm gonna start with my liquid liner and build from there. This is a great tip to do if you struggle with liquid liner, like myself, and with deep set maturing aging eyes. Sometimes it could be a little tricky, so I do like to start with liquid liner if I'm doing like a specific eyeshadow look that I want to look a little bit more crisp and clean, because you can always blend your eyeshadows over top, and then yeah, if you screw up the liner, you can wash off the liner and try again instead of washing off your whole entire eyeshadow look. And you can just intensify that eyeliner after. So I'm focusing the eyeliner and the deeper tones on the outer V and just more in a straight line rather than winging it up so much. The bottom lash we kind of want parallel underneath. So I'm going to use my Buxom Ash K Home palette, and I'm going to start with the black tone and just a flat dome brush, just really flat and precise so you can have good precision with this. And I'm just going over where the liquid liner is. So kind of just following along that line, sticking to the outer corner. This is just going to kind of diffuse the line. Kind of angling downwards into the tape. And that is the only place like the darkness is going to be, just right. I'm going to take my Jaclyn Hill Morphe JH40 brush. I'm going to go into Rich chocolate brown, and then again kind of diffuse the shade in that outer corner. I'm just filling up that gap that we get with our deep set eyes. So really just creating a triangle on the outer corner, blending Rich a little bit more along the liner and the black eyeshadow. Just filling up that gap. You can softly feather it along the brow bone, not into the crease, but on the brow bone. Well, it's going to go in the crease as well, but we're just kind of feathering it up a little bit more just so you can see it peeking in the outer corner. Now I'm taking my JH35 Jaclyn Hill brush. I'm going into the shade Teddy, and we're going to just blend this all over, blending it up on the brow bone, on my lid, in my crease. We're gonna kind of get like an ombre effect on the inner part of our eye. I'm going to take another flat dome brush. This is from an old makeup kit from Cosmetology. I'm going to go into Iconic, and we're going to sculpt that on the inner part of our lid. Following along that lid space and even up and over the crease. You can see I'm just like feathering it up. You can just kind of blend that through. So I did another pass with the liquid liner just over top of where I had placed it before. All right, let's take the tape off. I have my Q-tips ready for whatever is underneath this. Yeah, it's just makeup. We can always just wipe it away, but oh, that eye is good. Okay. This eye worried me a bit. Okay, not bad. I might just lightly go over this eye right here. I didn't get as straight of a line as I wanted, but that's no problem. I'll just kind of straighten it out like that. And I can go in with some concealer too. I will do that just to kind of clean it up a bit. I'm gonna go in with a white eyeliner. This one is just from L'Oreal. It's just a kohl eyeliner, and I'm gonna go in from the inner corner of my eye and try to separate the look of my top and bottom lash. Like I'm kind of creating a distinct line between them with the eyeliner. And I can just kind of blend the eyeliner out a little bit more once I get it in place. Taking this really light cream shade from my Essence Nude palette and a small angled brush, and I'm just going over top of the white just to blend it out a bit and just intensify it. I'm going to take this little tiny brush from e.l.f. This is an e.l.f. conceal brush, but it is tiny, tiny dome shaped and flat. I'm going to go into the shade Smoking back in the Buxom palette and just kind of pat my brush into the color a little bit. I'm going to start from the lower lash line and just follow along the bottom part. Just go right underneath that white color, and not too far. You don't have to wing it out too far, just a tad. Now I'm going to go in again with Teddy and just kind of buff that along the lower line, just to add a little bit of smokiness to that lower bottom line. Just kind of blends the black through a little bit nicer so it's not so harsh. It's more diffused. All right, I just put on some mascara. This is the final look. Now, how fun is this for an evening, for a wedding, for whenever you want, Halloween, whatever you want to be doing with your eyeshadow makeup? It is perfect for deep set eyes. It just makes the eyes pop, makes our eyes look bigger, and it's just something fun and different to do with your eyeliner. And this is the look that I created. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. Let me know if you try it out for yourself. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys again soon.